So this is the morning after. Look at the slab. We had a small rainfall, which is good because when it rains, the concrete cures. So you can see the work that was done yesterday. This is a duct. This is where pipes will go through. So it is covered so that there is no concrete inside. Okay. All this was cast yesterday. As you see, if you stand here, you'll be able to see straight line of the slab. Do you see that? It is excellent. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is excellent. Look at it here again. The line of the slab. Excellent. Okay. These are toilet, bathroom fixtures. The pipe work for the ducts. Look at the column. Looking very nice. We cast the extension inside the stab beams, the stab columns, which is the way that you want to do it to ensure that it is done well. Look at that column. Look at that. See that? Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. We have the overlap, 900 overlap, almost 1 meter. Right? See that? You see our camera over here. Looking on the side, additional security. You can look at the same thing too. So if you buy a condo here, you'll be able to see the same thing, right? Look at this here. See the lines? Beautifully done, right? The casting is going on today as well. This is all bathroom fixtures, like we told you, additional bathroom fixtures over there, right? So here we cast the main bedroom, bathroom, balcony, walk-in closet, second bedroom, third bedroom toilet, second bedroom toilet. We cast that. That is the fourth bedroom that's being worked on. Okay. This is the living room balcony that we're casting this morning. We're going to be casting this whole place up to all that side. Okay. This from where the men are, it will be up to here. Today we'll finish half of this and then tomorrow we'll do the remaining part as well, okay? Let me give you this view. Look at this column. Very well done. See that? Excellently done. Very well. Okay. Of course, you know our swimming pool is going to be here in that area. We'll have a greenery. We have a play area. All this is greenery. I'm standing above the gym area, okay? And then over here, you see this shade. This balcony is overlooking our gazebo area, which will be here. Very well done. It's gonna be our gazebo area. Have another camera over there. All this is greenery. And here we'll have a huge what is it called? These creeping plants, you know, that grow. So you'll not be able to see any of the neighboring stuff. You'll see just greenery around the whole place, okay? Of course, you remember we have our views. See that? Guru Hill. You can see Bukoto Hill over there. You can see additional Guru Bukoto Hill over there, right? And this is only on the first level. Look at this. See that? Only on the first level. Behind there we have Chambogo, so you'll be able to see Chambogo Lakawa, right? Look at that. That's the casting that was done yesterday. Let me zoom out so you can see the job that was done. Okay, very well done. I'm very happy with this. It looks beautiful, excellently done. So as you can see here, he's feeding in the aggregates. And he's doing it this way. The wheelbarrow right there, the wheelbarrow will deposit here. He'll use this spade to put in the column, and then after we'll get the vibrator, vibrate it, it settles in, and then we use the wheelbarrow to top up and we level it. Okay, so it's a very good process, very efficient, and this is how it's done. Okay, look at this column, 2 feet by 1 foot. Very good overlap, excellent. Of course, you know these are all. See that? See that? Let me focus. See that? E20s, right? Over there. Can you see? Oh, where's my zoom? There you are. Okay. So let me walk you through the other sections. So we are setting the ductwork for electricity as well. This is what we're doing over here. Setting the pipe work for electricity. So as you come out of the elevator here, you'll have the two spotlights. There's one here, there's one there. As you can see, he's setting that up, so you're able to see that. We are setting up also the staircase. You can see that. It goes round the elevator. He's standing inside the elevator. So let me show you that. This is a duct here. This is a duct that has been covered so that the aggregate does not go in. It is covered. The concrete should not go in. After, we shall remove it, and then the pipe work will be flowing. So for example, this pipe goes through the concrete to this duct, okay? And the ones from above will be doing the same thing as well. That's the staircase set up. Okay. See that? Staircase. And in here, bringing the marine board. This is for the elevator setup. So to ensure that we have straight lines, 90 degrees, perpendicular, flat, everything, you know, the whole shebang, we use these marine boards. As you can see, it's huge, 8 feet by, I think it is 6, 5. So it's very straight, it's very big, and it ensures that everything is straight, okay? When you're building the lift shaft, it has to be 100% straight. There is no question. It's perfect square, okay? So that's what he's doing on the inside, just to give you an idea of how it is. See that? So that's our electricity man. Let's move on. The crane is going. The aggregate work is going. As you can see, right? Very, very well. So the wheelbarrows move along these. Like you see, they move along these wooden planks to the destination that they are pouring, right? So they don't get stuck within the meshes, okay? Of course, you have your BRC nets. This is the net that goes on top. This is the net that you see here, right? BRC locks everything together. It's a metallic blanket, actually. Some people will call it metallic blanket, but that's what it does. It locks in everything, okay? And then let me show you the crane area. The crane area, see that? Bring the material. And the operator gets it, puts it here. Use whatever tool you have, including the boots, right? This one loads it in the wheelbarrow takes it where it's supposed to be, okay? And that's the pizza machine, automated across. Right? So we have, everyone has a task that they do. We have a cement coming in. We have a truck packed over there with the cement. So we use the small truck here to ferry from the big truck to the small one. And then from the small truck to come here, okay? So we have that. Then we have, each one has a plan, each one has a job. So the guys bringing the soil, the stones are different from the guys with the sand, different from the guys with the cement, different from the guy who is cutting this, machine operator, water operator, these operators, and the rest, okay? So that's how it works. It's a team effort, coordinated, right? So we are still we're preparing the slab on this side as we cut on this other side, right? So it's work in progress across the whole place. We don't want to wait for one thing before we do another. So we do in progress, in tandem, everything at the same time. But different teams, different people, okay? So this here is a column setup. You can see this. The guys are setting up columns, as you can see. Let me see him setting up columns, right? He is also setting up columns, as you can see. This one has been set up by the guy over there. Everyone is doing something, right? So this here that you see, will stand on that one, for example. No, actually, the other one will stand on this one. This one will stand somewhere else, maybe there. Okay? Everyone has a job to do. Everyone is doing their job. And together, it comes together as a good coordinated effort. See? Yeah, but the sebo? Chigenda chicha? I think you can see. Nae Max Pani zangatezo tuzizako sebo. Ngato ina chisa. Yeah? Ozimanyi zimenye kamangu, ziwa ukamangu. Beni wali. You see that one? So this has 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyway, yo makati. Yao. Ocha yongera mwano, eh? Ejinebiri, eh? Emitayimba. Auntie, nayo ocha yongera mu, eh? Muchagenda mu ebiri, sicho? Okay. Okay, I have to check. Make sure. Okay. So let me show you the steel man here. He's also doing some work. You can see with a T20 bar that he's cutting. We're using the best disc to ensure that the machine, you know, when you use the disc that is not good, I won't mention the brands. Typically they will stall, they will drag, basically they will not do a good job, right? But when you are using DeWalt, which is the world's best, then you know, that's the DeWalt thing right there. See that? That's the DeWalt. Jebale. Okay. So now you can see rooftop view, right? This is only on the first floor. Only first floor, right? First floor. That's what we're talking about here. So let me go on this side so you can see the balcony area on this side. Okay. This is in the master bedroom on this side. This is the balcony area. Okay. The balcony is 1.8 meters, so it's really, really big. You can have a small party over here. It's quite big, as you can see. Everything is lined up. You really have to appreciate this line, right? You see that? Straight as a whistle. See that? You see that nail? This nail over here, right? Put a string on that nail. Take the string up to the last balcony, and it's all in a straight line. If you look with your eye, you should be able to see it. Okay? You can generally see it even if there is no string. But this is what we have to look at. This is the Dorchester Luxury. They are 205 square meters each. This is the construction phase. We're putting up the show. We're actually currently building the show apartment so that you can come and look at it. Condominiums are available for purchase. You can contact us today and come and purchase your units. And you will actually enjoy it because you'll be on the site and witness as it comes up. Okay, this is actually a once in a lifetime opportunity. Usually you're going to buy these condominiums that are already done, but now you'll have the opportunity to see what's going on, how it's being done. If you're lucky, you might be able to get a word or two on how to adjust the whole thing like you want it to look, right? Very, very happy with this. It looks beautiful. Okay, like I said, we shall have our pool over here. It's a huge space, as you can see, right? It's 20, I think 10 meters there, and then over here we have at least 30 meters. So the pool is enough. We have a lot of greenery over here. We have a gazebo over there in the corner. Of course, you can see we have our construction site cameras. We have cameras over there. We have them all over the place. It looks good, progress is good, and I'm happy with it. So keep checking back for the next updates so that you can see where we stand and you can enjoy the process as we move along. Let me stand on this side and show you the elevator section. and the lift and the staircase section, so that you can see it and appreciate it as well. There we go. You see the staircase rise, landing, rise. Okay. Here we are setting up the staircases. You see there? See the string I was telling you about? See the string, right? That string. So that everything is straight and perfect, right? That's how we do that. So you see what he's doing here with the bar? He does this first, and then the vibrator comes in, and then we top up with the coffee. Okay? It's very nice. Okay? So keep checking. We'll be back with another update soon. Thank you.